Merlin, network magic in 3D. Quick video here. I've animated these logos. Well, the Merlin logo, but I've also grabbed the Pi ATS logo, and as you can see, they've all been transformed into 3 dimensions. They cast shadows inside of the circles. Um, I've added the metallic and the sheen to my Merlin logo. Well, what you're going to see now, I'm going to hit play, and hopefully it will animate and start to rotate on all of its axes based on the frame number. So let's hit play, and there it goes. It's rotating all by itself with the frame number. Now I have 250 frames, and it's just going to keep looping. I could add more frames and we could see how long it runs. Let's make it 500 frames. And I'm doing this with simple animation nodes. So I have my object, which is my Merlin logo, and I transform the output, the rotation axis, and I tie in an info frame, the time sequence, the frame number, and I use degrees and set it to my X, Y, and Z. And now if we want to change the speed of this, I'll try to do this live. We can add a number math node and multiply, let's say, this will be the x-axis. Let's multiply it by 3. So now it should rotate a little faster on that axis. And we can also add this for the other axes and multiply this by 3. And maybe add one more where we multiply that by 3. Let me just connect this here. Whoops. This one. Connect in the Z. So now we can really have it rotate nice and fast. Now that might be a little fast. Let's try 1.5. 1.5. 1.5. So that's a nice rotation speed, I think. And it rotates around. Now we can add the same to the Pi ATS logo, which is what I'm going to do in a separate little video. And we can maximize this. And as you can see, I've changed the lighting system a little bit so it's not yellow, and we get a little bit more of the natural logo color. You can see the shine moving around, the shadow it casts. Pretty impressive stuff. Pretty fun. So thank you again for joining. My name is John Capobianco, and the project is called Merlin 3D. Stay safe.